Wendy's has fried chicken? What the? All right, I previously had a subscriber tell me that Wendy's here in Guyana has fried chicken. I've never seen that in the US. It's usually just chicken sandwiches or chicken tenders, chicken nuggets. I've never actually seen bone-in fried chicken at a Wendy's. So as soon as I heard that, I knew that was something I wanted to try. So today is the day that I am gonna try some bone-in fried chicken from Wendy's. It's kind of funny even saying that because I'm just not used to it. All right, we're just gonna jump right into it today. I got a 3-piece combo that came with 3 pieces of chicken and fries and a drink. No biscuit, unfortunately, at Wendy's. It's just chicken, fries, and a drink. It was 2,220 Guyanese, and it was another 220 to upsize that to a large. So total was 2,440. All right, they also gave me the Wendy's signature sauce, and also they gave me 2 packets of ketchup for a large fry. So obviously I asked for more because there's no way somebody can just use 2 packets of ketchup for a large fry. And they were very generous to give me 1 napkin. All right, I'm sure everybody's here for the chicken, so we'll just jump right into the chicken and then we'll try the fries. Fries look very similar anyway to a regular Wendy's fry, but we'll make sure. Yeah, some countries may use a different oil. For instance, McDonald's French fries in Japan taste very different than McDonald's French fries in the US, and it's primarily because of the oil that they use in Japan versus the oil that they're fried in the US. So that's why I like to just try everything because some people say, hey, it's the same thing, but that's not always the case. It might be the same fry, but there's other things that can make it taste different. Same with the chicken. They may use the same seasonings or whatever at KFC. There's just a lot of things that could change the taste. So I think it's important just to try everything, and then I'll just give my opinion based off of how I know it tastes in the US. But in this case, we don't have fried chicken at Wendy's, so this will be a first. So I'll just let you know if I like it, and we'll kind of compare it to Royal Castle and KFC over here in Guyana. That'll be the best way I can explain it. All right, so going right in, we'll start with the leg. That is surprisingly very good fried chicken. It's actually very juicy too. I don't know if you can see that in the camera or not, but this leg here is actually very juicy. I wasn't expecting that. I would say already just trying this one leg, I would almost prefer the bone-in fried chicken at Wendy's than their traditional nuggets or tenders. Because this already has, to me, a lot more flavor than those 2 items. Yeah, it's perfectly fried too. It's like a very, very thin batter that they put on the chicken. It's really tasty. It's not a spicy chicken. They didn't offer original or spicy or anything like that, so I just ordered the chicken and this is how they gave it to me. But if they had a spicy version of their chicken, it would be the best in Guyana. And I know I'm gonna have a lot of hate comments, but hey, that's just a fact. It's actually a really good fried chicken. And if it just had that same spice that KFC or Royal does, I think people would be impressed. Either way, it's a very good start for Wendy's fried chicken. All right, we're gonna move on to the white meat. Let's go to the wing. We'll start with this part. I'm telling you, that's pretty good fried chicken. Yeah, I grew up in the US in the South, and we do a lot of fried chicken there, so I'd like to think that I know a good bit about fried chicken. And I'm just telling you, all their chicken so far has been juicy. I really like the thin coating of the batter on the chicken. Unlike some of them where it's a real thick, crispy batter, this one is like real super thin. Really like that. I actually think it makes it crispier, so it's better. Here's a good look at the white meat. For fast food fried chicken, I mean, it's really good, and I think it's, you know, it ranks up there with a lot of the other fast food fried chickens, in my opinion. I do wish they had a spicy version that would take it over the top, but if you just compare all the originals, I think it holds its own. It's also 2,440 Guyanese dollars, so that's about $12 US. That's unfortunately about what it costs these days to eat at a fast food restaurant. It seems like now if you want to get a combo meal, it's between 12 and I don't know, $16 is what it seems like at most fast food restaurants. So I'd say pricing is in line. So very tasty chicken. All right, go ahead and try a fry by itself. Yeah, I like the fries from Wendy's. You can still see the peel, so it makes you think that it's just a fresh cut fry. These are also, you can tell they are lightly salted, so that's good. The other two places I had here were not. These are. Yeah, and I had somebody in the comments of the Royal Castle video ask me if I like ketchup with my fries, or why don't I use ketchup. And the short answer is yes, I love ketchup with fries. But when I'm doing a food review, I kind of want all the stuff to speak for itself and not be good just because I douse it in a lot of sauces or ketchups or whatever, condiments. So I like to just try it as is. But I mean, of course, it's going to taste better with ketchup. Yeah, of course. So yeah, I mean, it's good. The Wendy's signature sauce. Pretty good sauce. I don't know if I've ever had it before, but yeah, I mean, it's actually a pretty good sauce. It's got looks like pepper in it. It seems to be a mayo-based sauce, and it may have some type of chili powder or something there, that's causing the red color. Maybe a little bit of ketchup or something. I'm not sure, but it's a little tangy. Got a little pepper in there, so I mean, it's a good sauce. All right, now I'm gonna try the thigh. Once again, looks like it's cooked perfectly. Got a nice crispy, I really like the color of it too. It has a really nice color. So can't say enough about the chicken so far. I'm really impressed, really surprised actually. Because Wendy's isn't a place that I just go to all the time anyway. I'll take it back. That's a breast. It's very small. It's a small breast. Yeah, it's still juicy. It's got a lot of flavor, juicy. Nice cook on the batter. It's good. I also feel like when I eat the chicken here from Wendy's, it doesn't seem to be as heavy. And I assume it's because of just that very thin, lightly fried crust instead of that thicker stuff that some of the other competitors use. But yeah, I really like it. And I like how it doesn't taste greasy at all. It's just a really good fried chicken, and I think it's pretty solid. I definitely think if you haven't tried it already, you should go to Wendy's over here in Guyana and give it a shot. All right, that's another review in the books. Just keep making those recommendations, and I promise you, I'm getting around Georgetown, and I'm filming as much as I can. So I'm trying to just post videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I'm trying to keep a backlog of videos in case something comes up. So who knows, the place that you want me to go, I may already have it filmed and ready to go. So just keep making the recommendations, and I'll just keep putting out the videos. All right, see you in 2 days. I'll take it back. That's a breast. It's very small. It's a small breast. That wasn't supposed to be funny. Good old white milk.